It's Saturday morning in St. Augustine. We're headed to go to some thrift stores. Let's go shopping. Our first stop of the day is Haven. This is a favorite thrift store of ours in St. Augustine. The goal of today is a new desk for my work from home area, so hopefully we'll find some good stuff. The dresses and bathing suits are half off today, so I may have to look through and see if I can find me a new dress. I found some really cute dresses in here before, so may luck out today. Stephen and I love to do game nights during the month, and going to your local thrift store is the perfect place to find some really fun, unique games. We have stocked up our gaming closet, basically come into the thrift stores around St. Augustine, but a lot of fun puzzles too. So if you like doing puzzles or games, just head to your local thrift store. You're going to find some really unique and probably cheaper than what you would find at, a Target or a Walmart or a department store. I don't see any must-have games this time. Oh, here's a drinking game. Here is a Christmas in July table. A lot of holiday goodies already out. I think the sign at the front said this is all 30% off today. Oh, I love that. I like that people are taking these and they're painting them for Halloween. They're turning them into like haunted houses. Oh, look at the tree set. That's fun. There's a tree. Huh? Oh, look at that picture. For our next thrift store, we are heading back across the Matanzas River, back across the bridge to our island, Anastasia Island, to Betty Griffin Thrift Store. And all the proceeds from this thrift store do go to help battered women, women that have been abused physically, mentally, sexually. All the proceeds do go to helping women. And if I didn't mention it before, Haven's proceeds all go to a hospice center. So love helping out these local thrift stores that are helping charities. Yeah, I wanted something a little longer, but it does have the side for the stand. 45? The tower? You don't think so? Dang, I like that too. I like the knobs. It's kind of old though. I had the bedroom set that was like this when I was growing up. The headboard and the dresser. Little bookshelf. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That'd be a cool entry table for when you walk in our door. Nice couch. $125? Not bad. Not bad at all. I don't see more desks, do you? Whoa. That's nice. Small one. Oh, that's cool. 400. I think that's too big. It's kind of old school. It is. I guess it's meant to be like a vanity table to do your makeup. I didn't find a desk in there, but I did find these awesome new Vans, $25, and they are teal and pink, basically my brand colors for Vivacious Views. I'll show y'all a haul of what we purchased once we get back home. Our next thrift store is the Safe Pet Rescue Adoption Center and Thrift Store. We've actually never been in here before. Maybe we'll find something for Nemo while we're in here. Oh, look at the puppies. Roxanne. She's calm too. They need some attention. Yeah, they want to play. Nice little couch. I like the picture. Little dog beds. There's some pet supplies. Look, babe, we could get him a bag to carry him in.
That'd be funny.
That would be fun. Let's see what they have. Yeah, it's like pet stuff here. He needs a new harness. Disney 100 pet toys. I think this is for a cat though, because it's like bells. I'm going to be real with you, sweet peas. I did not like that adoption center thrift store. The dogs barking, it was so sad. We almost brought Nemo home a sister today, but I just did not enjoy that experience. It pulled at my heartstrings. We decided to stop at Big Lots to see if they may have a desk that I could use for my work from home station, but they also have Disney kitchen and Disney home decor. So I'm just going to kind of look around and see. There's probably nothing we need, but lots that I want. Oh, it's a 2-pack. Oh, and there's the Stitch. What are those, $5.99? You like that? Yeah, I like that the best.
What's that?
Yeah, we needed some. We were just talking about it, so it might as well be Disney. What's this?
Diaper.
Oh, cute. How much? $9.99. Very cute, very cute. $14.99. But those are cute. I like the dinosaur. It makes you look like a T-Rex. Pooh Bear. Oh, yeah. Oh, I like the chair, too. $1.99. Yeah, it's got the support. But $80. Pretty basic. Well, this one's $50 right here.
I think that's low as well.
Yeah. There's a standing desk for $99. That's not bad. Like there's your gaming desk right there. Got the cup holder. Huh? I mean, yeah, I like that, but it would just take up most of my office. It doesn't have the dimensions. It doesn't say the dimensions on it. Big Lots has a pretty big selection of outdoor, like gardening, patio decor. I'm really loving all this kind of summery, outdoorsy decor. We are looking for some new patio lights, kind of like the string lights that you put outside to give like a really awesome ambiance. So we've been looking for some solar lights, preferably something that we don't have to plug in. So if y'all have any recommendations for some really awesome solar lights, let us know in the comments, because we've been looking since we moved into the new townhouse. So hopefully we'll find something before summer is over. It is time for some lunch. We are at our local Zaxby's. I saw on Instagram where Mr. Beast, if you're not familiar with Mr. Beast, he's a very famous YouTuber. He has a Mr. Beast box. So I'm very curious to try the Mr. Beast box from Zaxby's. Plus, I really love fried chicken. I mean, I am from the South, you know. We are back at home. Wanted to show y'all the Zaxby's goodies that we picked up. We got the Mr. Beast box with the Feastables, which is his new chocolate bar. I've heard it, compared to other chocolates, but it's supposed to be a little bit healthier. I'm not too sure, but curious to try a Mr. Beast bar. We also got the shrimp box, the fried shrimp box. And this shrimp box comes with fried shrimp, toast, seasoned fries, and a drink for $10.99. It also has a Zax's Tail sauce that comes with it, which is a mixture of the Zaxby's sauce and cocktail sauce. So excited to try that. And here is the Mr. Beast box. This includes 2 pieces of Texas toast, fried chicken tenders, fried cheese bites, seasoned crinkle fries, and a drink. And then also the Feastables chocolate bar. And this comes with Zax sauce as well. So kind of a big meal. This was $13.69. So a good deal, coming with the kind of like a little dessert, and the fried cheese bites at Zaxby's are really good. So I'm excited to eat some of those. Hadn't had Zaxby's actually since we moved to St. Augustine. So I love me some fried chicken. I'm a Southern girl. So Zaxby's is always good. Let's try out this chocolate bar.
Well, you know, think about
Mm,
it. That's where we come
messy.
from.
Tastes a lot like a Hershey bar, but also tastes like those. What are those rabbits at Easter? Are they? What's that brand? Oh,
Russell Stover.
Russell Stover. Like the chocolate bunnies at Easter. Pretty good, not bad. And now for our shopping haul. After we ate Zaxby's, we did run to Marshall's and Five Below. So we got Nemo this Transformers Optimus Prime toy from Marshall's. Gonna go ahead and give that to him so that I can show y'all all the other goodies without him trying to jump up on me or think everything is for him. But I would have showed us shopping at Marshall's and Five Below, but this would have been a 3 hour long video if I showed everything of all of our shopping today. But it was a fun day shopping in St. Augustine. So let's show y'all all the goodies that we got. At Haven, I found this super cute sun hat. This is only $3. What a great deal. Also found this beautiful silky dress. It was $12.99 and then half off. So I got this for $6.50. And I've actually gotten a lot of really cute dresses from the Haven thrift store. So another great find. And I got this dress. I think this one was $4 half off with the floral design. And then I got these flip-flops. These were $2 each. So these are really cute. I'm going to use these for the beach or to go down to the pool. I also got this awesome deal on these Vans. These are the ones that are teal and pink, kind of like my brand colors, but $25 and they're new, still have the tags on them. So that was a really good deal at Betty Griffin. And then here is our Five Below finds. We got this Stitch shirt, which I actually wore this the last time that we went to Disney. If you haven't seen that Epcot video, I'll put that video in the description down below. But got the Experiment
Got a Harry
626
Potter
shirt. This is the I solemnly swear that I am up to no good Marauder's map. And then I also got this beautiful Deathly Hallows shirt as well. So I got some new Harry Potter stuff for our upcoming trip to Universal. Stay tuned for that. Now on to our Marshall's haul, things that we got at Marshall's today. I picked up a new candle for my desk. It's the You Had Me at Aloha. So this is mango, passion fruit, and vanilla sugar. The top has a little hula dancer, has a little hologram, so it looks like her hula skirt is dancing. So I love this, super fun, and it smells so beachy and good. I found this on the clearance section. It's a Super Mario shirt. And it was on sale for $4. That is a steal, y'all. They're building the Nintendo World at Universal Orlando. So here we go. Shirt for when we go to it. Love that. I love a good deal. This one is a fun design. It's that teal blue, my favorite color right now. I really love this teal. It's got the flower, the rose, amore. And then on the back has the fun flower design as well. It's all wrinkled from being in the bag. Has the flower design as well. And then this one was $9.99. This is a favorite that we found. It has Bart spray painting Krusty the Clown, kind of graffiti-like. I love this shirt. It's also kind of my brand color too with that teal. This is kind of the aquamarine. And this one was $9.99 as well. But what's fun is it's on the back. And then this one is Ghostface for Halloween. This one was, let's see. This one was $9.99 as well. And it has Ghostface on the back. Let's watch scary movies. This is kind of a spoiler because we are very close to, we're a couple weeks away from buying our annual passes for Universal Studios. So we're going to be going to Universal Studios a lot more this year. Definitely during the Halloween season because they do the Halloween Horror Nights. So, spoiler alert! Super excited about that. And now for our Big Lots haul. We did find some really fun Disney merch. We got some chip clips for our chip bag. So these were $3.99. They've got the cute Mickey Mouse with the different expressions. So they're also magnets, so we can put them on the fridge. We also picked up the matching kitchen towel set. This comes with 2 towels. It's got the Fabulous 5 characters on it. So Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy. And these were $5.99 for the set. Okay, so I told y'all that our goal today was trying to find a new desk. I'm trying to upgrade my work from home area. Don't judge, it is very cluttered, and I wanted to add an additional monitor so that I have 2 monitors to work with because the work day can get a little hectic only having the one screen. So here is a little before shot of my setup. So we did find a standing desk today at Big Lots. It was $99, but I will be able to move it up and down so that I can stand sometimes during the day. So Steven's about to put this desk together for me and I will show y'all the new setup. I'm so excited. All right, here is a look at my new desk setup. So right now I am editing over here. I've got this desk that I'm going to use for my editing, but right now I'm doing a Disney auction. So we're going to be doing a Disney auction on Whatnot. I'll put that link in the description down below if you want some Disney goodies, because I've got ears and all kinds of goodies that I'm going to do a Disney auction with. So here is a look. And I did get a pegboard to hang my headset. And the desk moves up and down, so I am able to stand and do work. So I've got my camera and stuff for my meetings at work. And so right now I'm just editing over here, but I'm going to get that other desk cleared up. So this will be just for work from home, and then I can edit separately. So everything's not so discombobulated, but so everything's not so cramped. But I love this. I love this setup, y'all. So I did get the keyboard from Amazon. I got the purple mat from Amazon. Got the drip wrist mat from Amazon. So I'll put a link in the description down below of the pegboard and everything. So if you wanted to get some of these goodies for your work from home setup. But I love it. I also got the Deathly Hallows mood light from Five Below. So some goodies. Love it. Thank you all so much for coming along on a shopping adventure in St. Augustine today. We had a blast just shopping at some favorite stores around St. Augustine, some of our favorite thrift stores. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave us a comment. Stay vivacious, viewers, and we'll see y'all in our next video.